Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to be playing around with the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette, and I haven't opened this yet. I haven't looked at the colors like in person. I got this a few days ago, I just haven't had time to film because I was editing my other video and I'm trying to upload it. It's been trying to upload for a good amount of time. So I went ahead, primed my skin, did my eyebrows, got my eyes ready for the eyeshadow, like just off the camera so I could get straight into this. If I can get it open. Okay. And it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna open this in so I can pull it out right away. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. So it looks like this. It's, you can see my foam setup, but it's like gold glitter with like a pink background. It's really pretty. I just threw it, but, and here's the outside, and it's hollow. That's what the rainbow is. That's hollow, and that's Manny MUA's eyes in drag, and that was done by Lipstick Nick, I believe. So I'm just gonna be doing a look. This is like a first impressions, but I want to do a look based off of the new 5 Seconds Summer album, which I'll show you a picture of. I was just listening to it when I was getting ready. It's such a good album. I'm in love with it. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing, like a really cool blue with like reds and oranges and purple. I don't know. Something cool. I probably won't use only the Life's Drag palette, but a majority of what I'm going to be doing is going to be from this palette. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take the little plastic off the mirror and off the brush. So here's the brush. Just threw it at myself. It's double-ended. It's like a flat packing brush right here, and this side is just a really precise like blending brush, like if you want to get really into your crease. So I'm nervous because I'm using this palette for the first time. So I'm gonna be just taking, probably really go with campy, because if you can see there's lots of yellow like behind the boys. And if you haven't ever listened to 5 Seconds of Summer, you probably should. Like, of course, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But like, if you want to listen to some really good music, I would suggest their album. So I'm gonna take the color Campy. It's this bright yellow right here. Okay. I put like hardly any on my brush. And I want this to be really dramatic. Okay, I didn't tap off the extra on this, and I just touched it once. And I'm really happy with like the color already. I know it doesn't look like I put very much because I didn't, so I just tapped into it twice. Like, and I don't know, I just want to see how much I can build this up. I'm obsessed with this color already. So I'm just gonna take a smaller brush, which is my Morphe R39. And I'm just going to make sure it's clean so I don't get any gross mix of colors that I don't want. So I'm just going to take that. It's like this, and it looks dirty, but in the color I'm taking is called Kai Kai. I'm just going to see if they blend. Oh, and if you wanted to see like the mirror, there's a pretty good sized mirror right here. And I just blinded you, and it says Be a Queen on it though. But just want to see if I can make like an orange. Whoa. I don't want to blend too high because I want to keep that yellow, but I did just create a really cool orange, which is similar to the one that is in their album cover. Okay, so I just did that onto this eye. I'm going to take the same brush and just get more of Kai Kai, so it's a more, like, it's a denser amount, and just build the pink up into, like, a really bright pink. I have a vision for what I want to do, and it's going to be, like, pink fading into purple, because Pageant Queen and Kai Kai look pretty together. And Pageant Queen's the purple, if you didn't know. and it will look good with the pink, and then like have like a kind of cut crease, but not really. But when I was looking at the picture, I noticed it doesn't have like a ton of pink. Like it has like a little bit of pink up in here, but it's like not like a bright pink. So I'm gonna take the dark red, which I had to think about what color I wanted to take, which is called Snatched. And I'm gonna clean off this brush that I used for blue, because, you know, don't want a maroon red being mixed with like a teal blue. So that's what I just did just now. Yep. And if I look down at all, it's because I have my phone on my lap looking at the picture. But I'm just gonna take Snatched, which, ooh, that was really like buttery feeling. And I'm just gonna go up in here, kind of just draw it in. I'm not using this to blend because that would be completely insane. I'm just using it to like trace where I want that color. And then I would be taking a more dense brush, which also has purple on it, like all my stuff, because I do so many weird looks with purple. I'm just gonna, and I use a piece of toilet paper. Since I do this in my bathroom, I might as well, it's like right across from me. And I'm just gonna take it, a little bit extra on my brush with a little bit of Kai Kai, mix the two, like mix Snatch and Kai Kai just a little bit, so that when you blend it, it's not like super harsh, but I do want some red in like my outer V area. Added Snatched. And now I'm gonna be using Pageant Queen on this Real Techniques like base shadow brush, but it's actually really useful for like, and there's not too much kickback, which I'm actually really surprised about. And I'm just gonna pack it like right here, and it's really pretty. It's like moving where I have it on my leg, because I had the palette resting on my leg and I kept moving my leg around, so it was like teetering because I couldn't move my leg too much. And I'm just packing it. What the fuck is that? I gotta fix it. It's like it's not really the pigmentation that I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to just take more of Kai Kai mixed with a little bit of Snatched, because I want to make sure I don't lose all of that in there. I need a different brush for for Pageant Queen, which I'm just going to use like a angled brush so I can get like the pigment that I want. Back with both sides done of purple, and I'm actually really happy with how it came out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put up all those brushes just so they're not in my way. I'm going to be taking my concealer, which I just kind of beat, and this is going to be the darker shade that I have of the ColourPop No Filter in the shade Fair of 4, just because I don't feel like using my main one right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. So what you do is you just take it off and you push and you twist it, and it takes off all the product. And I'm just going to do one more because I will use every bit of this, probably more. I'm going to be taking a Real Techniques concealer brush, actually. No, detailer brush, sorry. And I don't want to use my applicator because I don't want to get, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to put some right there, and I'm going to actually go higher because, and I don't want to go too far, and I'm stopping like right on the other side of my eye. So like where my eyeball is, like, so when I look straight ahead, where like, okay, so my cornea, but then my, like the color part of your eye. I don't want to say too many words, so like when I look like this, like on the edge right here is where I'm stopping. So I'm just gonna just fill in what my eye already created. About that is my friend Kale. I love him so much. He's my favorite person ever, and he moved away after the end of my junior year, his sophomore year. So, and I don't know, I just miss him to bits. We were actually talking like an hour ago, and I just miss him. I miss everything about him. I miss his dumb like jokes. And like if I post a picture on Instagram, he's like, oh my gosh, a queen, a full meal. She's not a snack, she's a full meal. And the same with my friend Emma. And I love Emma too. And I don't know if I'm gonna leave this in there, but if I do, shout out to Emma, because I know she watches my videos occasionally. And she told me they were too long. And that's like, and I'm like, dude, I know, I used to have like 20-minute videos. And now I'm like 11, 13, and I'm like 11 or 13-minute videos, I don't know. I like watching long videos, but I don't want to hear, like, I don't want people hearing me talking for that long. I don't know. So I think this is as much as the blue is going to get built up how I want it. I'll probably touch it up. If you want, there's a spot I see that I'm not happy with, so I'm just going to pack pigment on this brush and spray it to hell. And Emma's just so funny, and so is her sister Molly. Well, her whole family. Their brother, that man is something. I don't even know what to call him. But yeah, that's actually, I like how that looks. So now, I'm going to be taking the first brush I used, the shade Campy. So I think that's what I want to do at the bottom. I just want to maybe just make it really yellow. And this half, like take it really yellow over here. Oh, I'm sorry. I got too carried away looking at myself. Wow. So surprising. And I just want it to be really like dramatic. Because that one, I'm just going to use this LA Girl Jumbo eye pencil. It's in the shade, I don't know, black. No, that's not the shade, but it's just black. I think it's called Sunglasses. Because I just want a little bit. I don't want to go too far in because I do have like a teal shade there. That changed it a lot. Actually, I like it with this. Okay, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna end it here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this like first impression little like tutorial using the Life's a Drag palette by Mr. Manny MUA. I'm obsessed with how this look turned out, and it was inspired by the new 5 Seconds of Summer album, Young Blood. You should check it out if you haven't listened to it. It's really good. I hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you are in the world. And I haven't been doing that lately, but I'm going to start again because I love you guys. And I do hope you're having a good time wherever you are. But this is it. So I'm just going to do like a quick little... But like, bye. I love you guys.